The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is really new and considered one of the best phones out there. However, it still has some areas where it can be better. When rumors start coming out about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra expected to be released in 2025, here are some improvements we hope to see. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't considered ugly, but it looks quite similar to previous models like the Galaxy S21 Ultra from 2021. While it's understandable that phones can't change drastically every year, it would be nice to see some fresh design changes in the Galaxy S25 Ultra in 2025. Samsung has been working on innovative designs with its Galaxy Z Fold phone, so it's possible for them to shake things up a bit. Samsung used to offer phones with a huge 16 gigs of RAM like the S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra, but for some reason they stopped offering this option with the S22 Ultra in 2022, and it hasn't come back in the 2 years since. While you might not need 16 gigs of RAM right now, it's good to have it for the future, especially considering the high price of smartphones these days. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is very expensive, starting at $1,299.99, and even more if you want more storage. Unlike before, you can add extra storage with a memory card. Although we don't expect the price to drop, we hope it stays the same. Right now, it's hard to say it's worth the high price when there are cheaper options from other brands like Google. Even Samsung's own Galaxy S24 Plus, which has similar features, seems like a better deal at $999. Including the S Pen with the S22 Ultra was a great idea because it turned the top-end Galaxy S into something like the Galaxy Note. Being able to use the S Pen for drawing and taking notes is a cool feature that many people like. It's even better with the S24 Ultra because you can use the S Pen along with the Circle to Search feature to quickly search for things and images using AI. We hope to see more cool things like this with the S Pen, so it stays useful even after the excitement of getting it wears off. A big change in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was switching from a 10x optical zoom to a 5x one, which caused some debate. While the 5x zoom had more megapixels, making the zoomed-in photos look better, many people missed the 10x zoom. It made the phone stand out. We hope Samsung brings back the 10x zoom in the next model, maybe with a better camera sensor and more megapixels. There's a rumor that suggests we might get a camera that can switch between zoom lengths, which could make room for the 10x zoom to come back. Let's hope so. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.